Rointe, leader in the electric heating market, presents the low-consumption Rointe Digital Integral System, a heating and domestic hot water system which combines design, technology, and energy efficiency. A family of products consisting of radiators, towel rails, water heaters, and infrared remote control. The Rointe Digital Integral System is the only electric heating system on the market which allows all the products in the range to be controlled by a single remote control. The TFT RD series low-consumption electric water heater is a domestic hot water product with a cold water input from the mains. Two heating elements warm the water in the heavily insulated tank, which stores it until it is needed. In the upper part of the tank, away from the heating elements and cold water inlet, the water is stored at a more uniform temperature. It is from here then that the water is directed to the outlet. The tank should always be installed vertically in order to obtain the maximum energy performance. The water heater is controlled via a panel located at the bottom of the product. The panel has 5 touch button controls and a high-resolution TFT screen which allows information to be viewed clearly from any angle. The TFT RD digital water heater has 3 multi-layer electronic circuits with the latest advances in surface mount device technology and product identification traceability. The infrared send and receive sensors allow the water heater to communicate with the M-series remote control. The electronics, designed by Rointe using surface-mounted device or SMD technology, ensures the optimum reliability for component insertion. Rointe was the first manufacturer of water heaters to incorporate touch control buttons, which work without mechanical parts, thus increasing the working life expectancy of the electronics. The water heater uses a Triac Thermostat, which, unlike traditional relays, is absolutely silent. It has no metallic contacts, and so does not suffer wear and tear. The Rointe digital water heater uses a system known as Optimizer Energy Plus, developed by Rointe to utilize energy in the most efficient manner. To maintain water temperature at 73 degrees for 24 hours with a daily demand of 120 liters, the average consumed power is only 20% of the nominal power, equating to 80% of power not consumed. The lithium battery incorporated in the electronics module maintains the product's time and user-specified program when the water heater is switched off or suffers a power cut. The battery has high operational reliability throughout its working life, which can last up to 7 years. The control panel is high-impact injected polystyrene. This high-resistance material is specially made to protect against NOx and high temperatures. With an ingress protection rating, IP number, of 44, this allows water splashing without affecting the functionality of the water heater. The tank is manufactured with 1.5 mm sheet metal, covered with a layer of vitreous enamel of 0.5 mm, which protects the tank from corrosion. The insulation of rigid polyurethane foam of 3 cm thickness and an extremely low coefficient of thermal conductivity cuts heat loss down to an absolute minimum. What's more, as it does not contain chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, it is not harmful to the environment. The external cover is made of cold-rolled sheet metal, finished with white, high-sheen epoxy. In the base of the water heater, you find the control plate. This removable metallic part houses the temperature sensor, the magnesium anode, and the heating elements. The 2 elements are made of steel and are connected in parallel, working independently, ensuring hot water availability should one fail. These are located inside 2 tubes, allowing replacement without needing to empty the tank. The digital temperature sensor, or negative temperature coefficient thermistor, registers the water temperature to within tenths of a degree. It is also located in a tube inside the tank, allowing for easy replacement. The magnesium anode is a system to protect from corrosion caused by limescale in the water. The TFT RD digital water heater includes a security system. If the water in the heater exceeds 80 degrees Celsius, it will automatically disconnect from the mains. In order to reset to standard functionality, the red reset button must be pressed. The water inlet and outlet are located at the bottom of the water heater. The cold water inlet is on the right and the hot water outlet is on the left. The water enters the tank through a diffuser, specially designed so that the flow is gradual, to avoid creating cold water currents which diminish the performance of the water heater. The hot water outlet originates at the highest point inside the water heater. Here, the temperature is more uniform and is not influenced by the cold water inlet. The water heater includes 2 nylon sleeves, reinforced with glass fiber for fixing the water inlet outlets. These eliminate the risk of galvanic pairing, which promotes corrosion in the tank. The temperature pressure valve, which comes pre-fitted to the water heater, allows water drainage from the upper part of the water heater in cases of excess pressure or temperature. Rointe markets an installation kit for use with water heaters, consisting of tundish, expansion vessel, pressure-reducing valve, and a check valve expansion relief valve. These accessories are obligatory for installations of unvented water heaters in the UK, in order to protect against possible excess water pressure, which can negatively affect the water heater. To improve the efficiency of the TFT RD digital water heater, Rointe recommends purchasing the Rointe thermostatic mixing valve, which automatically mixes water from the tank's hot water outlet with cold water from the mains, increasing the available, usable hot water by 77% and so increasing energy savings. The Rointe digital integral system is only one sold exclusively through the professional electrical and plumbing channels and should be installed by professionals to ensure correct functionality. Rointe digital integral system, the professional, low-consumption integral heating system.